gonna work on some exhaust bolts, guys. Show y'all the right way to do it. This only works on aluminum heads though, so don't think you can get your cast iron heads out and go welding on them, because that shit ain't gonna work. You need some aluminum heads, you got a hole broke in there, get your welder out, you gotta have your temperature way hot. That's a real big key. You gotta have your surface clean. And you do what I do. Another big key, you gotta let it cool off between your welds. You want it to go all the way cool. And then weld on again. This allows it to build up. If you weld too fast, it's just gonna be a big puddle and you're gonna end up ripping off of your damn cylinder head, fucking up your hole. So you got a little bit of a head sticking out of there, usually just go ahead and grab your pliers. Just like that, it started turning. A lot of people want to weld a nut on there. If you ask me, it's a waste of time, a lot of extra headache. Get your puddle sticking out of there, get your pliers. You gotta turn the head with some grease. Protect your thread. Just like that. You're done. You got it out. That's the third one I've already pulled out of that head, and I've been messing with it for 15 minutes or less. So you just use what I did, and you're gonna have it. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do the other three. My mechanic, he can put it back on. Come here. Yeah, Another one bites the dust. Hey! One more. Give him off. I got it. Hey, go back out to that shit. Woo! Make sure you get on here. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's how you remove broken exhaust bolts out of aluminum cylinder heads. Hope it helps y'all out.